Okay, very good afternoon to all. So today we will start with the next unit. So in the previous session, we have discussed or we have completed the unit number 5, trees. So in that we have discussed the definition, traversal, linked list, implementation. Definition of the tree we have discussed, right? After that, we have discussed how to traverse through that tree. So this part we have discussed. So to traverse from the to that respective tree. So what kind of traversal methods we are using? So pre-order, post-order, and in-order. Suppose in-order is there. So how you are using the in-order? In-order. So three methods you are using for the traversing purpose. In order, after that?
Pre-order.
Pre-order and post-order, right? Post-order. Now, suppose if you want to traverse, so by using the in order, so what is the way
Left, root, right.
So for the in order, what you are using first?
Left.
Left.
After that?
Root.
Root. And next one, sorry. Root side काय होतो?
N, sir.
Left, root, and after that?
Right.
Right.
Right. And for the pre-order?
Root, left, right.
Root, left, right.
Root, left, and right you are following. And for the post order?
Left,
Left,
right.
right.
root.
Left, right, and root. Right. So these three processing part we will use in next unit also. Right. So all of you remember this is very simple one. So if in order means you need to consider root at middle, and if pre-order means you need to consider the root at post, right? And post order means root will come at the end, right? So these three traversing methods we have discussed in the previous unit. So after that, the very important concept we have discussed, that is the binary tree. Now, what is the rule of binary tree? Here we have discussed. So what is the main rule of binary tree? So is it visible in the camera? Binary tree this thing.
Yes, sir.
बायनरी ट्री पर्यंतच दिसते सर.
Now is it visible? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now after that, in the binary tree, so we are considering how many child to the root node. How many child you are considering for a single root or for a root, any root?
Two root.
Either no children, one children, or two children.
Okay, good. Either
No children.
no children, or can I say here 0? 0,
Yes sir.
0 or 1 or
Two.
Two.
right. Now more than 2 can I consider here?
No.
Binary tree?
No, sir.
More than 2 consider करू शकते का? So only up to 2 we can consider, right? Now this is the main rule when you are designing any binary trees, right? So when you are designing any binary trees, so these rule you are following, right? So I hope all of you have understood. Now after that, binary search tree. So what we have discussed in the binary search tree? Binary search tree मध्ये काय बघितलं होतं आपण?
One parent root.
One parent. Now binary, in the binary tree, so we have designed the trees, right? Now in the binary search tree, we have used these traversing methods, right? So with the help of these traversing methods, so we are searching the any nodes, right? So we are able to search the nodes, we are able to insert the nodes, or we are able to delete the nodes, right? So these part we have discussed. Now after that, in the threaded binary tree, so what is the new thing we have introduced in the threaded binary tree? In the threaded binary tree, yes. Suppose this is your root node, right? And 10 value is there. Now at left side, so this 20, at right side, suppose here we'll consider 8. Now here I will consider 30, right? And suppose only these two nodes are there. So what is the value of this? Null. So initially in the binary tree we are considering it is null, right? Now in threaded binary tree, so what we have done, instead of assigning null, so what we are assigning here?
0 or 1.
At
So we have considered another format, right? So in that, so we are considering so here is the link, here is the link, here is the actual data, suppose 10, and here we are considering 0 and 1 bit, right? So either 0 or 1. So when you are considering 0,
null.
for the normal pointer, suppose here, we'll rewrite the same tree. So we'll rewrite the same tree. So what is the value here? So this is the normal pointer. So what should I write here? 0 or 1?
0. 0.
Here also at right side also 0, because already we have a pointers, right? Now here is it right? Right. Now here is the 8, right? Now both left and right, so both are null. So how to replace this null pointer with the threaded link? So first you need to
Replace.
calculate, or you need to identify the in order. So what is the in order of the above tree? Simple tree we have considered. 1 root and 2 child. What is the in order? 8, 10 and 30. So here, so what is the successor of the 8? Successor क्या है इसमें? आएगा successor. If successor is not there, so we have considered one dummy node. So we are connecting with that dummy node, right? So this link is called as a threaded link. Instead of null, we have used the threaded link, right? So what is the value here? 0 or 1? What is the value? आता इथे 0 असेल का 1 असेल? 1, right? And here, so what is the successor of the 8? So 10. So this will connect with the 10 by using the dot. And here what is the value of bit? 0 or 1? इथं bit ची value काय आहे?
1.
Right. Already we have seen this concept, so just we'll revise it and after that we'll move further. Now here 30 and here obviously, so 1, 1. So what is the predecessor of 30?
10.
10. So I'll use dotted lines and I will connect it with the, here you can connect to the link, right? So this one is also, you can connect with this link, right? And now what is the successor? So successor is not present, so we'll connect to
Dummy.
Dummy.
right? So this concept is called as a threaded binary tree. I hope all of you understood the unit 5. Now we will move further. So unit number 6. So multi-way trees. So next unit is the multi-way trees. Now in that, so first we will discuss the multi-way
sir.
search tree.
Hello,
Yes.
sir. We are
Hello, is it audible to all?
Because if someone is going to talk, then your screen is got replaced by him or her.
Sorry, I'm not. Okay, okay. So when I request all the students, so whenever you are talking, so so immediately you can mute yourself, right? So that my camera will be on. So already I have clicked on pin button, or you can also use the pin. So all of you do one thing. So click on the participant list and click on the SY BTech CSE and click on the more and select pin. Already I have here done this. मी ऑलरेडी पिन केलेला आहे इथं. तुमच्या इथे दिसतंय का ते बघा बरं. मी केलेलं आहे की पिन, कॅमेराला पिन केलेलं आहे ऑलरेडी. हे आता स्क्रीन शेअर केल्यामुळे तर दिसत नाही. Okay, already I have clicked on pin button so to my camera. So I have shared the screen. So now you can look at the screen. Whatever the screen I have shared, PDF. So is it visible to all? PDF this is Sarvana. Now we'll go through the PDF. So unit 6, multi-way trees. Right. So here multi-way search tree. So first point we will discuss, that is the multi-way search tree. After that, balanced multi-way trees, and after that, traversing a multi-way tree and insertion in multi-way tree. And here two types of tree we will discuss. So one is the B tree and another one is the B plus tree. Now this concept is very, very interesting. So definitely you will enjoy the unit number 6, concept of unit number 6. So multi-way trees. Multi-way search tree. Now first we'll discuss the theoretical concept, and after that we will move to the examples and everything, right? Now screen is visible to all. Is it visible properly? So I have shared the screen. So unit number 6. So in the PDF it is 5, but so our actual unit is 6 number unit. So multi-way search tree. So what do you mean by multi-way search tree? So this tree structure supports the various basic dynamic sets of operations. So here the searching we will perform. After that we will perform the predecessors, successors, insertion and deletion of the nodes in the tree, right? And again, the very important thing we will discuss here. So that is the how to balance the height of the tree. So that part is very important. Now, previously in the previous unit, we have discussed the binary tree, but for the binary tree, we are considering only 2 childs, right? Or 2 children we are considering. But here in multi-way search tree, we are considering the multiple children for a single node. Or we are storing the, we'll see the example so that you are able to understand the concept of multi-way search tree, right? Now here, so you can see the next statement, a multi-way search tree is an ordered tree such as the order we have considered here M. Now how to consider this tree? So we'll go through the diagrams so that you are able to understand. Now diagram is visible to all. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now here, so how many nodes are there? A, B, C, D, and E, right? Now, when you are drawing any tree, multi-way binary tree, so first you are considering, so root node has at least 2 children. So all of you give attention. So this tree structure is little bit different. So whatever the tree structure we have discussed in the previous unit, so in that, so we are considering only one. Only one we are considering. So suppose 10. In the binary tree, we are considering only 10, right? But here in multi-way search tree, So in a single node, so we are able to store the multiple values. So we are able to store the multiple values. Now, how to decide these multiple values? So for that purpose, so here you can see root has at least 2 children and almost m children. So m is the order, right? So that is given to you. So order m, suppose m is equal to 4 is given. Suppose the value of m is 4, means here you are able to consider the 4 element in a one node. You are able to consider the 4 element in a one node or almost. So here you can see the first statement, root node has at least 2 children. Means minimum how much is required? Minimum. So if order is given 4, so minimum, so how to calculate the minimum children? So in case of multi-way binary tree, so for that purpose we are using a simple formula m divided by 2. So we are using the simple formula, so that is a m divided by 2, right? So what is the value here? M divided by 2. 2 means minimum children. So at least you are able to consider 2, right? And maximum you are able to consider 4 for a single node or for a single value, right? So here I will see the examples already I have given here, right? And for each internal node has at most m children, same rule is applicable for the internal node also, right? And at most m minus 1 key element. M minus 1 key element means, so these are the actual values, right? So key means actual value. So here in the binary tree, so we are considering the 2 children. So how we have decided 2 children? 2 children, how you have decided here? So one for first children, so you have used the left pointer, and for the right children, you have used the right pointer. And how many keys you are able to store here? 10, right? But here, in case of multi-way binary tree or multi-way search tree, so you are able to store how many keys? So the keys you are able to store, that is m minus 1. And maximum children you are able to consider 4. Means suppose you have a node this one. So 1 children you can consider by using first pointer. After that 1 key. Second children you can store here the address of second children. After that third children, and here is the fourth children. Means how many values you have stored here? If the order is 4, so how many values you are able to store here? 3 values. Suppose 10, 20, and 30. Right? So these 3 values you are able to store. And how many childs are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now again, so this child will store the how many key values? Again 1, 2, 3, 3 key values, and again this node is having 4 children. So in this way, so what is the benefit of using this multi-way search tree? We can store the multiple values in a single node, right? So all of you are able to understand so what I am talking. Am I audible clearly? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, so in a single node, how many values we have stored? Online students, I'm expecting answer from yours. I'm getting the answer from offline students. How many values we have stored here in a single node?
3,
3 values. Which one?
10, 20, 30.
10, 20, and 30, right? So, and how many children you are able to consider for this root node?
4.
4. Now for 1 children. Now how we are deciding the children? So for 1 children we require 1 pointer. So how many pointers we are able to consider here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now how we have decided on 4? So for that purpose here order is given to you, right? order value is given to you. Now suppose instead of 4, suppose 5 is given to you. 5. Then how many children you are able to consider for a single node? If value of m is 5. How many children? I'm not talking about keys. So these are the keys we are calculating by using the m minus 1, and children's is equal to m. Children's is equal to m and keys is equal to m minus 1. Keys means actual value. So how many children you are able to consider? Right? And here 10, 20, 30, 40. It's m minus 1. So what is the value? 4. Means you are able to consider in a single node. So 4 values, and maximum children you are able to consider here is the 5. Up to this, all of you understood the node structure in a multi-way search tree. Is there any doubt? So what is the difference between the binary tree node and multi-way search tree node? In the binary search or in the binary tree, so how many key values you are able to store in a single node, and how many children you are able to consider? Binary
value. One value.
1, 2, and how many key values? Only 1, right? But here in the multi-way binary search tree, sorry, not binary, multi-way search tree. In the multi-way search tree, so how many key values you are considering? So that is depending on the order, right? So if order is 5, so you are able to consider the 5 children and 4 values, right? Now if order is 10, so how many children you are able to consider? 10 for a single node and 9 values, right? So here the size of the node or keys of the node or children of the node is totally depends on the order of the or value of the m, will say, right? So here we will denote the order by using the m. Up to this, is there any doubt? So this is the change. Now here onwards, so we'll use this concept to define the or to create or to construct the binary tree, means B tree, and to construct the B plus tree, right? So we will discuss in detail. Now whatever the concept we have discussed, so all these things is given here. Now you can see here example on the screen. Is it visible? Okay, I think screen is lagging. Now is it visible? Example. So I have shared on a screen. Now again, we need to follow the order of the elements, ascending order we have to follow.
सर इंटरनेट स्टेबल नहीं है.
Okay.
ब्लर होती स्क्रीन.
Internet is not stable.
Yes sir.
Now it is stable.
व्हॉइस पण ब्रेक होतोय सर.
Okay, let me check. Now it is clear, or still it is?
Yes, sir. No, clear, sir.
Okay. Now here you can see. So we'll go through the theoretical part. Now here in the example, node A is given. So how many children we have considered for the node A? So 3 children. So minimum how much you need to consider if the order is 4? So here one more part you need to consider. So again, at most and almost you need to consider. Means minimum you need to consider m divided by 2 children. So minimum child I will consider. Right. So minimum m divided by 2 children you need to consider, and minimum keys. Minimum keys m minus 1 divided by 2. Right. So minimum at least you need to consider the m divided by 2 children for a single node, and m minus 1 divided by 2 keys. Right. Now suppose here we have considered in our example that is the 4, right? So what is the minimum children you need to consider here? Minimum children 2 and maximum 4. Max 4 and min 2, and key
3/2.
key किती consider करावं लागतील? So right, so integer value will consider, so 1, and maximum
3.
maximum 3 we need to consider. Right. So these rules you need to remember when you are designing any multi-way search trees. Right. Now this multi-way search tree we are using in a B tree. Right. So we'll discuss the B tree or construction of a B tree. Now before that, now by using this multi-way search tree, so what we have done or what we have achieved actually? So we have reduced the height of the tree. Now suppose if you want to use this, suppose 5 keys. So how much height is required in a binary tree? 5 keys साठी height किती लागेल binary tree मध्ये? Binary tree मध्ये simple. You have 5 nodes and you want to draw the tree by using the binary tree concept. 3 height of the tree is 3. Now by using the multi-way search tree, same, and order is given 4. What is the height? It is reduced or not?
Yes, sir.
Height is reduced. So what is the first benefit? So we have balanced the height of the tree. Now if you have reduced the height of the tree, means here the searching is very easy or as compared with the binary tree. त्यामुळे searching सोपं जाईल का अवघड जाईल? So what is the benefit of multi-way search tree? Insertion, searching, so whatever the operations we are performing or traversing, so all these operations perform very easily in a multi-way search tree, right, as compared with the binary tree. So this is the main benefit we have introduced or we are discussing the multi-way trees. Right now, balanced multi-way trees. So our goal is to, so is it visible to all PDF clearly?
Yes, sir.
So that will minimize the file access time. Obviously it will reduce the file access time. After that, the height of the tree we are considering as small as possible, or we are trying to reduce the height of the tree by considering this multi-way binary or multi-way search tree, this concept. So this is the main goal. Right now, to achieve this goal, so these whatever the steps we have discussed, so all these steps is given here in this PDF. So first, no empty subtree appears, so above the values, right? So when we are considering the node, so in that node at least minimum value is required, right? Suppose if you are having only one value and order is 4, so is it possible to create a node? Suppose the order of that tree is given 4 and you have only one key value. Is it possible to create a node? No. So how much value you require minimum to create a single node at least, or to create a root node? So minimum 2 key value is required, right? So this is another rule we need to remember when we are designing the multi-way search tree or when we are using the multi-way search tree. Now, second, every node except the root, so have some minimal number of children. So every node should have some minimal number of children, right? Now, definition of the balanced multi-way trees. So B tree is a tree data structure. Now, this is a linear data structure or non-linear data structure? It is a non-linear data structure or linear data structure?
Non-linear.
Non-linear.
Non-linear data structure, right? So B tree is a tree data structure that keeps the data stored and allows the searches, sequential access, after that insertion and deletion in the logarithmic time, right? So this logarithmic time means, so here time complexity is considered. Now B tree is now we will discuss the B tree. B tree means balanced tree, right? So B tree are balanced tree, so that are optimized for the systems, so that reads and writes the large blocks of the data, and it is the most commonly used in the database and file system, right? Now definitions and whatever the rules we have discussed, so same rule is there. So just we'll go through this. So B tree of order M is a multi-way M-way tree in which, so we are using the M order, right? And the root has at least 2 children. So at least 2 children, if it is not a leap, and almost M children is required, right? Now, except the root node, each internal node has at least M divided by 2 or M divided by 2 children. So seal means what? Floor and seal. So what is mean by seal and floor? So sometimes we are using floor functions and sometimes we are using seal. So what it means? कुठली व्हॅल्यू कन्सिडर करता? फ्लोर म्हटल्यानंतर कुठली कन्सिडर करता आणि सील म्हटल्यानंतर कुठली कन्सिडर करता? Yes. So here the seal value we will consider, right? Seal means suppose 5 divided by 2. Now we'll take example. Suppose 5 divided by 2 is there. So what is the answer here? 2.5. So which value you will consider for the floor function? 3 consider करता का 2? Yes. Online students. So what is the answer? Your voice is not getting clearly. Who is talking? Three. Vaishnav is saying 3. Okay. So floor value is 3 and seal value is 2. Right. Now, which value you need to consider in case of binary tree, B tree? So here, you need to remember these rules. So except the root node, each internal node has at least M divided by 2 seal values or M divided by 2 these children's, right? And almost M children's, right? Almost means maximum M children's and minimum M divided by 2 children's is required, right? Now third rule is the except the root, each node has at least how many keys? M minus 1 divided by 2 and almost means maximum M minus 1 keys, right? So these rules you need to remember. So when you are designing when you are constructing the binary tree, so we'll discuss the example, right? Now after that, so keys in a subtree of V1 are less than the Q1. Now here for the node children V1, V2 up to Vm, right? Storing the key values K1, K2 up to key of M minus 1, right? So K is the key values and V is the children's we have considered, right? And keys in the subtree of the V1 are less than the K1, right? So whatever the value you are considering, so V1 is the left child, right? And whatever the value you are considering to the key one, right? So V1 is the left child, right? and values of the left child is less than the K1 values. Okay, so here we are considering the incremental orders. Okay, ज्या काही लेफ्ट साइडला व्हॅल्यू असतील V1 च्या V1 मधल्या त्या कोणापेक्षा लहान असायला पाहिजे K1 पेक्षा, right? So here I will draw one simple diagram. You can see in the camera. So here, so this is our root, right? So here is the K1, after that K2, and here I will consider dash dash dash. Here is the K. What is the value? Km minus 1, right? Now here, so this child is called as a V1, right? This child is called as a V2, and this one is V3, and here is the V, not V4, Vm minus 1.
-1.
Here is the V,
VM.
Vm. Is it visible to all? Vm? This.
Yes, sir.
Right. So these are the childs, right? Now, whatever the, suppose we'll consider some values. So value of K1 is 10. So what is the value of this V1? V1. या V1 मध्ये काय व्हॅल्यू असतील? 10 पेक्षा ग्रेटर असतील का लेस असतील?
Less.
Right. So whatever the value you are considering, so that should be less than the K1 values, right? Now whatever the value you are considering in V2, suppose here is the 20, K2 value is 20. So V2 value is between the 10 and 20, 11 to 19. So this much value we will consider in V2. Now after that, suppose this value is 100, right? And here Km minus 2 is 90. So then what is the value of this Vm minus 1?
90 to 100.
90 to 100, right? And after that, last one is the value which is greater than 100. So we will consider as a Vm. So this is the rule when we are considering the. Now suppose you are inserting the next value, that is 22. Where it will be inserted? In which child? In V1, V2 or V3? 21 I want to insert.
V3.
V3.
V3, right? Now suppose I want to insert 2.
V1.
V1.
V1, right? Now all of you understood. So this same rule is given here, right? So we need to follow when we are constructing the balanced tree or B tree, right? Now we'll see the example also. Don't worry about that. Now same rule is given here. So keys in the subtree of the V1 are less than the K1, right? And keys in the subtree of Vi are between Ki minus 1 and Ki. I ची value दिलेली आहे. Here value of I is given, right? Now keys in the subtree of Vm are greater than the Km minus 1. So same rules are given here. So all the leaf node must be at same level, and there should not be any empty subtree above the level of the leaf node, right? Now you can see now when a key is inserted in the leaf node, then an overflow occurs in a node. So split the existing node by shifting the medium value to its parent node, and if the parent node is root node, then new root is created, right? So here all of you are able to see the screen. Is it visible to all?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you can see here. So what is the value of root node here? J.
J.
So how many childs are there for the root? 2, right? So CF MR, right? After that A, B, D, E. So here, which orders they have followed? Alphabetical orders they have followed in these examples. So all of you are able to see the screen. Is it visible to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So alphabetical order is followed here. Now, here ESTU is inserted, right? So that will be inserted after R, right? So this is the simple alphabetical example. We'll see the numerical example so that it will be very interesting also, and you are able to understand. Now, is it visible to all? Screen is visible to all?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we'll discuss all the steps. Now, what is the example? Construct a binary tree, B tree of order 5 for following the sequence. So, what is the sequence here? Now I will draw all the steps here one by one, and this thing, don't you see this? Right now, this board is visible to all clearly. So I will draw the diagrams here. Now you can see. So what is the example? Example काय दिलेला आहे? Construct a binary tree. Construct a binary tree, B tree of order 5. Of order 5. So what is the order? What is the order?
5.
Order means m is equal to 5. Now, what is the minimum value here? Minimum children's for a single node. Minimum, how much children's you need to consider?
2.
2.
2. And maximum?
5.
5.
5, right? And how many minimum keys you need to consider?
4.
4.
Huh? Minimum. I'm talking about minimum.
2.
2.
2 लागतील बरोबर आहे. And maximum?
4.
4.
आवाज वाढवतो मला आवाज येत नाही तुमचा. Now you can speak. So now why my voice is clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So here the minimum children, now is it necessary to write? So mean children, I write mean child is equal to 2. Mean key is
2.
equal to 2, right? After that, max 5 and 4, right? So we use this. Now what is the example here? Construct the binary tree. So order 5 following the sequence. Now tell me the first element. So what is the first element? We'll start constructing the step 1. So step 1. What is the first element? I will draw here the first node. What is the first value? Key value, first key value. पहिली key value काय आहे? First. इथे as per the list. 3 आहे. बरोबर आहे. So first I will insert 3. After that, second one is the 14, right? So when you are inserting the new value, you need to compare with the first one, right? After that, third one is 7. But 7 is greater than 14. So where it will be inserted? After 3. After that, next one, 1. Next one is the 1. Where to insert 1? So here it is. Now what we have done here? So we have followed the which order? We have followed the ascending orders, right? Ascending orders we have followed. So we have stored how many key values here in a first node? 4 key values. Now fifth. Insert the fifth. Fifth value क्या है?
8.
8. But where to insert 8? So here 8. But what is the problem? Can we insert the next key value in the same node?
No.
No.
Now this situation is called as a overflow, right? So this situation is called as a overflow, right? So overflow of the node. Now how to avoid this situation? This situation कशी avoid करना? How to avoid this situation? So for that purpose, we need to use the splitting of the node. We need to consider the splitting of the node. Now how to split the node? Now first we'll arrange all the nodes in a sequential manner. Now what we have added for next 1, 3, 7, 8, and after that next 14, right? So these are the elements. Now when you are splitting the node, so first we need to identify the median. So who is the median here? Median कौन है?
7.
7, right? So 7 we will consider as our root. 7 will consider as a root. We'll push them up. 7 node, 7 key value we have pushed up, and we have considered 7 as a root, and the lower key values. So those values are less than 7. So these values we will consider at left side, and the value greater than the 7, so we'll consider at right side. Now you can check. So here we are able to overcome the overflow conditions, right? So we have overcome the overflow condition. Now here, this is the one root, and here 2 checks are, right? Actually here minimum 1 by. Now you can see here, so if we insert 8, now what we have done, so we need to split the node. So 1, 3, 7, 8, 14 at median. So because of the overflow conditions, right? So after splitting, so this is the next step. So I will say this is the third step, right? Now next element. So insert the next element. Next element क्या है? Now where to insert 5?
Side.
Where to insert 5? Left side of the one, 3, 5. So where it is inserted? At left side of the 7, right? Next, after 5, 11. So where to insert 11? Right side of the now 11 is inserted at the right side. Is it visible to all? So whatever the things I am writing on a board.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now next value after 14. 14 is 17 होती ना?
Yes, sir. 17 होती थी.
14 हाँ 14 ऑलरेडी अपनी पहिलीच आहे. 14 पहिलीच आहे. Okay. हाँ next is the
17.
17. Where to add 17?
Side.
After 14, right? Is it visible to all? Board is visible to all?
Yes.
Okay, if not visible, so immediately you can say. Now 17 is inserted here. Now next
13.
13. Next is the 13. But where to insert 13? 13 कुठे insert करावं लागेल? Right of the 7. But here, so is it allowed to insert here? इथे insert करू शकतो का आपण? So what will happen if I insert here? Which condition? So this condition is called as a overflow condition. So what is the solution to avoid the overflow condition? Splitting of the node, right? Now we'll split the node. So what is the value? What value we are inserting? 13,
13.
So 8, 11, 13. After that, इथं काय होतं?
17.
14.
होती ना?
14.
So 14 and 17 will be at left side, right? And here, so this 13 will push up. 14 ka 13 pushed up. 13 I have pushed up, right? So to the root node, and this right of the 13 will be connected to the this. Arrow is not required, so because no problem. So we are traversing in four directions. So up to this, is there any doubt? So how to split the element? लक्षात आलं इथपर्यंत? हा, next element सांगा. What is the next element?
6.
Next element कोणता आहे?
6.
6. Now where to insert 6? 1, 3, 5,
6.
6. 1, 3, 5, 6. Right. After that, next 23. Where to add 23? तुम्हाला दिसतोय? त्यांना दिसतंय कॅमेरा दिसतोय. Is it visible to all?
Yes, sir.
कॅमेरा या साइड मध्ये दिसतोय, तुम्हाला दिसेल. हे वरती केलं तर हे दिसणार. Clear दिसतंय? 23. Now next value 12. So where to add 12?
After 11.
After 11. So here I will add after 11. Okay. Now next 20. Where to add 20? Either 17 we can add for 17 and 20 add for 17 and here 20. Right. After that, next 26. 26 आता कुठे add करणार? So where to add 26?
We need to split, sir.
Split.
After 23 we need to add 26. But here we need to do the splitting.
Splitting.
After splitting, so which value will go up? Upla काय जाईल? Which value will go up? 20, right? And here, no, I will draw this. So what value is there? 20 नंतर कुठे?
23.
23 आणि 26.
26.
Now is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now next value after 26.
4.
4.
4. Where to add 4? Here.
Of 7. After 3.
30.
But we need to split. Right? So here 4 we will add here. One, 3, 5, 6. 1, 3, 5 and 6. So this will be okay.
16.
Next value is
16.
16. Where to add 16?
Right of 13.
After 13 means right of the 13 and left of the
20.
20. काय value होती?
16.
16, 17. After that, next one is the
18.
18 is also added here. After that, next one,
24.
where to add 24? So here can I add 24. Next,
25.
25.
25 also here. 25, 26.
19.
Next one is the
19.
after value is the 19.
19.
So where to add 19?
After 13 splitting.
After 18. But is it allowed here?
No,
Yes, sir.
So what you need to do?
Split.
split.
You need to split. So 19 next value, right? So you can split. So which value will be sent up?
17.
17. 18 will remain here. 19. But 7. So when we will send 17, 17 what is sent here. But here already root has overflow condition. So then what you will do?
Splitting cell again.
Again, we need to split the root also. So how to split the root?
13 will go up.
13 will go up, right?
17 will be.
And 17 will be. This link will connect with this one. After that, after 17,
19.
so this will be 18, 19, right? And 20, so this will be connected to this one. And this after 13. This will be. Now this is our final tree. Now here you can see. After step number 10, so we got the final tree. So finally we have inserted 19. So then 4, 7, 13, 19, 20 need to split. So median is 13 will be moved up to form a root node. And now here in the diagram also, or in the PPT you can see. So B tree after inserting the 19. So here we have constructed the balanced tree by using which concept? Multi-way search tree. Now all of you understood the construction of the balanced tree or B tree? Any doubt? Hello, am I audible to all?
No, sir. Sir.
Now all of you understood the concept of B tree? If yes, you can write yes in the chat box. If you have not understood, still if you are having any problems or doubts, you can unmute yourself and ask the question. After that, we'll see, we have seen the one operation. So that is insertion of a node in the B tree, right? Now we'll see the how to delete the key values, not node. So here delete operation, how we are performing? So we need to perform the delete operation by considering the keys. We are not deleting the total node. We are deleting the key values. Now how to delete the key values? So next operation is again very important. So this part we will discuss. Now before that, so all
Sir,
of you
one
under-
question.
Sorry.
Sir, how to split? Can you explain once again?
How to?
Splitting, sir, means.
So which part you have not understood? How to split?
Yes, sir.
Okay. PPT is visible to all. So this PDF is visible to you.
Yes, sir.
Your good name?
Sir, Suraj.
Suraj. So you can see here, you can observe the step 1. So how we have considered step 1? So this part is understood.
Yes, sir.
So why we have considered 4 keys in a single node? या सिंगल नोड मध्ये 4 keys का घेतलेले आहेत? Why I have not considered 5 keys? Anyone?
Maximum limit of keys for
Order of the order. What is the order? 5. Order काय दिलेले आहे? 5 दिलेले आहे. म्हणजे मॅक्झिमम आपण किती कन्सिडर करू शकतो इथं? 4 keys. 4 keys कन्सिडर करू शकतो. आणि किती चाइल्ड्स कन्सिडर करू शकतो? 5 childs, right? Right. So here, so 4 keys are inserted, right? Now after that, is it allowed to insert the 5th key here? Suraj, 5th key insert करू शकतो का? नाही.
No, sir.
Now if you are trying to insert the 5th key, so what you need to do? You need to split this node. आता हा node split करावा लागेल. तर कसं split कसं करणार? So first you consider what is the 5th value? 5th value काय आहे? 8 you are inserting in the step 2, right? So if you insert 8, then we need to split the node. So first you consider the sequence 1, 3, 7, 8 and 14, right? Now who is the median here? Median कोण आहे? So because of the overflow, we need to go for the splitting. So here 1, 3, 7, 8 after insertion of 8. So this is the sequence 1, 3, 7, 8 and 14. Now who is the median here? Median कौन है? Median or middle element 7. So what we are doing?
Your voice is not audible.
Your voices are breaking, sir.
Your voice is not audible.
I think here all of you are getting the voice. So is it the problem for all? Same problem? Now am I audible clearly?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Suraj?
Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
Okay, good. Now 7 is the median element. So what we have done? So we have pulled up 7 and we have considered 7 as our root node, right? इथं काय केले 7 ला up pull
Sir,
केलेलं.
whenever we speak, sir, yes.
काय झालं? Hello.
You are not audible clearly.
I think you are
Sir,
facing
your
some
voice is
problem.
not audible.
So problem is to all.
Voice is not clearly audible, sir.
नहीं, just 1 minute. So I'm changing the network. So let me connect through mobile. So I will connect with my mobile. So just to. Now am I audible clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I was clear. Aditi guys,
Yes, sir.
let me share the screen. Suraj, now audible, is it audible to you?
Yes, sir. Audible.
Okay. Now what we are discussing about the splitting. Okay. Now who is the median here? 7. So how many elements are there? 1, 7. So what we have done? So we have pushed 7 up and we have considered 7 as a root and smallest value. So which is less than the 7. So we have considered at left side, and next value we have considered at right side. So in this way we are splitting the nodes. So understood the how to split the node?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
So any other questions related with the construction of a B tree? Shall we proceed further?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Now again, the very important thing is the how to delete the element. So deletion from the, now when you are deleting the element, so when you are deleting the element, so we'll discuss through this PPT, so PDF, right? So deletion of the element is again, so different cases we need to consider. Suppose if you want to delete the leaf node, or if the key value is present at the leaf node, so at that time it is very simple, right? Suppose if you want to delete 23, so is there any changes you need to do? 23 delete करायचं असेल तर काय changes करावे लागतील? Simply you can delete the 23, right? Now suppose in case, suppose if you want to delete 20, so what you need to do? You need to do some modifications, right? So what kind of modification you need to do? So you need to pull this element up, right? So 23 you need to pull at the place of 20, right? And after that, so you need to consider. Now again, so depending on the keys, so where it is present, right? So which key you are deleting. So depending on that, so this deletion operation is there. So we'll see the concept. So where to use the transfers and everything. Now we'll see the examples directly. Now this example is visible to all. So in the example, so what is the root node here? What is the root node?
13.
13, the same example. So whatever the example we have seen now, the same examples. So we will see. Now suppose here, if I want to delete 8, so how to delete? 8 delete करू शकतो का? Suppose I want to delete 8. Is there any changes I have to do?
No, sir.
No, sir.
काय changes करायची गरज आहे? Now when you are deleting the element, so which condition you need to consider? So before going to the next element, so let me clear. So when you are inserting the element, which condition you are checking? Overflow or underflow? Overflow condition check कर दो, बरोबर है? Online students. So which condition we are checking? Overflow or underflow? When you are inserting the element?
Overflow.
Overflow, right? Now when you are checking the delete operation, which condition you need to check?
Underflow.
Underflow.
Underflow condition you need to consider, right? Now here the tree is in front of you, right? So 13 is the root node, 5, 7, 17. So same example we will consider. And here I want to delete 8, 20, 18, 5, right? And order is 5 already we know, right? Now first we'll delete the 8. Now is there any impact after deletion of 8 on a tree?
No, sir.
Right? So now delete 8 as 8 is in the, where it is present, at leaf node or at root node?
Leaf.
Leaf node.
नोड ला है, बरोबर है. So as 8 is in the leaf node, so it is very simple to delete. Now, so here is the B tree after deletion of 8. Now after that, next condition. Now I want to delete 20. Now I want to delete 20. आता 20 delete करायचं. 20 delete करू शकतो का? कुठे आहे 20? So where it is 20? 20 कुठे आहे? हा पहिल्यांदा हा डिलीट करायचं असेल तर हा हे बघा. So after deletion of this one, so this tree, I want to delete next 20. Suppose if you want to delete 20, so what you need to do?
Replace it by successor.
Replace it by
First successor.
first successor. Okay. We'll see here. Now we will delete 20, but 20 is not a leap node. So we will find it's a successor, right? Now, which is the 23. Now, who is the successor of 20? Who is the successor of 20? 23,
3.
right? So successor, which is 23, hence the 23 will be moved up to replace the 20, right? So here, so after deletion of 20, so tree will be look like this. Now we'll move further. So deletion of 20, all of you have understood, right? Next is the 18. Now I want to delete 18. Where it is? Now 18 is the leap node. Leap node hai. Leap node delete karta hai then. Leap node. So 18 is present at leap node. So is it allowed to delete? But after deletion of 18, so how many key values are remaining? Only one. Is it allowed? Minimum 2 for the internal node. We require minimum 2. For the root, it will be allowed. But for the internal node, how many values we require? Minimum keys means
2.
which condition is violating here? Overflow or underflow? इथं कोणती condition violate होती?
Underflow.
Underflow condition. Now here you can read. So next we will delete 18. So deletion from the corresponding node cause the node with only one key, right? So which is not desired in B tree of order 5. The sibling node to immediate right has an extra sibling node. Now who is the sibling node? Sibling node म्हणजे काय? What is mean by sibling? So we have discussed all the terminologies. Sibling means neighbor or brothers, like brother or sister. Who is the brother of the 18? कौन है?
19.
19.
19.
Sibling कुठं आहे आपण? इथं आहे. 19. Right. So 19 is there, right? So so here 18 and 19. So if you want to delete 18, so 19 will remain as it is here. So who is the sibling of the 19 here? So 14, 16, first left sibling. Who is the left sibling? Left sibling कौन है?
24.
Right. And right sibling 24, 25, 26. Now what you need to do? So you need to borrow one key from your left sibling or right sibling. But is it possible to borrow from left sibling? Left sibling मध्ये borrow करू शकते का? Is it allowed to borrow from left sibling?
No, sir.
Left sibling मध्ये borrow करता येईल का?
No, sir.
Why? Because already they have
Having the
minimum 2, right? Now come to the right sibling. How many are there? 3 are there. But when you are borrowing the element or keys from the right sibling, so first you need to pull them up. जी borrow करायचे त्याला कुठं करावं लागेल आधी? We need to pull them up. So 24 we will pull them up, right? And we'll compare 23 with the root, right? So who is the less? 23 or 24?
23. 23.
23 will pull down to the left child, right? Now here same thing we have done. So 24 we have pulled up, right? So after deletion of 18. So how we have borrowed the right sibling key? So first we have pulled 24 up and 23 we have pulled down. So 19 and 23 will be at this leap node, right? Now what we have done? So here the sibling node to immediate right has an extra key in such case. So we can borrow a key from the parent and move spare key in the sibling to up. So it is shown in the below diagram, right? So what we have done? So we have moved 24 up and after that 23 we have pulled down, right? So in this way, we have deleted the 18. So this case, all of you understood. So when we are deleting the any leap node, and if leap node is violating the underflow condition, so at that time, so what you are checking? So you are checking the left siblings and right sibling. So if left sibling is having extra element, so you can borrow the keys from left sibling, or if right sibling. So if both the sibling having extra links, so at that time it's your choice. You can borrow from left or right. There is no any restriction. Now next is the delete 5. Now where is 5? First we will see in the preview. 5 is at
Leaf.
again the same situation is there. So what you need to do here?
Siblings.
Now, from where to borrow? Now you can check left sibling. How many keys are there at left sibling? Only 2.
Yes.
And at right sibling,
2.
is it possible to borrow the keys from the left or right sibling? दोन्ही sibling
No, sir.
borrow करू शकते का?
No,
No, sir.
Is it not possible, right? So to borrow the element from left or right is not possible in this case. Why? Because again they are also violating the underflow condition. तिथेही underflow condition violate होती है. Then what will be the next solution? काय करू शकता है? Now this is the critical situation. Deletion of 5. Now we'll go through this one. So now delete 5, but deletion 5 is not easy. The first thing is 5 is from leap node, and secondly this leap node has no extra keys nor sibling to immediate left or right. So immediate sibling जे आहेत left and right त्यांच्याकडे extra keys आहेत का? नाही. So in such situation, so we can combine these nodes with one of the siblings. So in that case, what we need to do? So we need to combine the 2 leap nodes either with the left sibling or either with the right sibling. So what I have done here? So I have combined with the left sibling, right? So how to combine with the left sibling? So here, which element you want to delete? 5 you want to delete, right? So 5 is deleted. Now after deletion of 5, so here I have combined 1, 3, 4 and 6. And this will be the left of the 7, right? Now first condition, what you are checking? So you are checking the immediate sibling nodes. So that is left and right. And if again, so they don't have the extra keys. So what is the next solution? So combine the 2 leap nodes or 2 siblings, right? So combine the 2 siblings. So here the 2 sibling is combined, right? So to make the tree balanced, so we have to move the parent down. So why we have after combining, when we are combining, so why we have put 4 down, right? For what purpose? To make the tree balanced. So here we will 4 down as between the 1, 3 and 4, right? And the tree will be like this, right? जर 4 डाउन नाही केलं तर ट्री होती का तयार इथं? कंबाईन करता येते का? 4 डाऊनच करावं लागणार आहे आपल्याला, ठीक आहे? So but again, now again, so which rule we are violating? Now all of you give attention. Which rule again we are violating? 7 is allowed, single 7. All of you are giving attention or not?
No, sir, not allowed.
yes,
Huh? Sorry. Single 7 is allowed here. 7 single allowed hai ka?
No,
No.
sir.
No, sir.
No. Now again, still here deletion is not completed. So after deletion of 5, so we have combined the siblings, 2 siblings, like left sibling and the middle one, right? So we have combined this 6 with the left sibling, but still 7 is violating the rule. Then what you need to do? So who is the immediate sibling of 7? 7 चा sibling कोण आहे? Now, but again, internal node of 7 contains only one key, so which is not allowed in a B tree. So we then will try to borrow a key from sibling, but again, so when we will try to borrow the key from the sibling, so is there any key available to their siblings?
No.
7 चे sibling कोण आहे? So who is the sibling of 7?
17, 24.
17 and 24. Is there any extra key available with them?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Then what will be the next solution?
Combine them.
Next solution, if key is not available, so combine these two siblings, right? Now, how to combine? I'm expecting answer from your side.
7,
7,
13, 17,
24.
24.
7, 13, 17, and
24.
24.
now, again. So when you will combine, so this 14, so where it will be? Okay. So this will remain as it is. Now, hence, so what we can do? So combine the 7, 13, 17, and 24. Hence the B tree will be like this. So B tree will look like that. Now after deleting the 5, so B tree will be look like this. Now all of you understood the delete operation?
Yes,
or
sir.
no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if the sibling node is not having the extra keys, so what you need to do first? So we'll see the rules. Now we'll revise all the rules, right? Now deletion from the leaf node. So search for the value to delete. So if it is leaf node, it can simply delete it from the node, right? And if underflow happens, check what you are doing. If underflow is there, check the sibling to either transfer a key or fuse the sibling together, right? Transfer key karto kiwa. After that, what you are doing? Combining means you are fusing the keys, right? Now, if the deletion happened from right child, so retrieve the max value of the left child, and if there is a no underflow in a left child. So if deletion happened from left child, retrieve the mean value of the right child of there is no underflow in the right. जर underflow, जर आपल्याला extra keys असतील तर त्यांना आपण borrow करू शकतो. Right side ची borrow करत असेल तर कुठली व्हॅल्यू करणार? मिनिमम का मॅक्झिमम borrow करताना? Right side ची borrow करताना? Minimum. आणि left side ची borrow करताना? Maximum. Right. So these are the simple rules. The same thing is written here. So you can refer the notes. So already we have discussed all the cases. Case 1, case 2. Right. Now these are the delete operation. Now is there any doubt? So today we have discussed the binary search tree, multi-way search tree. After that, so balanced multi-way search tree and balanced tree, that is B tree we have discussed. So we have discussed about the how to insert the element after, and by inserting the element, how to construct the B tree we have discussed. After that, deletion or delete operations we have discussed. So is there any doubt?
No, sir.
For the root node initially, so starting means, so we are inserting first 4 element. Directly we are inserting the first 4 element. पहिल्यांदा एक नसतं ऍक्च्युअली, पण तो रूटला अलाउड आहे. रूटला आपण स्प्लिट केल्यानंतर एकच येणार आहे. ठीक आहे, तसा अलाउड. पण इंटरनल नोडला अलाउड नाही. कारण इंटरनल नोड साठी ते कोणती कंडिशन व्हायलेट होती? अंडरफ्लो.
100.
की व्हॅल्यू असेल, परत सेकंड, परत थर्ड, अशा व्हॅल्यूज आपण इन्सर्ट करतात. रूटला फक्त आलं. हे रूल्स ऍप्लिकेबल आहेत इंटरनल साठी, इंटरनल रूट नोड साठी. Next is again, next tree is the B plus tree. Now little bit changes is there. So how much time we have? Shall I complete this one or introduction? Introduction finishes Korea. Huh? Okay. Roll number 40. So what will happen if we combine 6 to right sibling? So regarding which step you are talking?
Sir, after deleting of 5.
After deleting of 5. Yes. Now here you are talking this one, right?
Yes, sir.
Means after deletion of 5, 6 we have combined with whom? 1, 3, 4 and 6, right? Now what you are saying? So if we have combined it with the right one, so what will happen? So if we combine with them with right ला जर combine केलं तर काय होणार? 6, 7, 11 and 12 will come and 4 will remain as a root. त्या केस मध्ये काय राहील? 4 will be remain as a root, right? And after that, so next one is the next we need to combine this. But so what is the rule? So when we are combining any, so first traditionally, so first we are checking left and after that we are checking right. So always we are following the predecessors. पहिल्यांदा आपण predecessor म्हणजे लेफ्ट साइड चेक करतो आणि नंतर लेफ्टला नसेल तर राईटला जातो. जनरली लेफ्टला असेल तर आपण लेफ्टच चॉईस करतो. राईट केलं तरी चालेल पण लेफ्टला नसेल तर राईटला जावं. ठीक आहे, राईट ही करू शकतो, काही अडचण नाही. फक्त की व्हॅल्यू चेंज होतील. काय की व्हॅल्यू चेंज होतील? 6, 7, 11 आणि 12 येतील. ठीक आहे, आणि रूट काय असेल त्याचा? 4 असेल. ठीक आहे, मग नंतर 4 च्या लेफ्टला कोण असणार आहे? 1, 3 आणि 4 च्या राईटला कोण असणार आहे? 6, 11 and 12, राईट? नाही 6, 7, 11 and 12. 6, 7, 11 and 12. After that, what you need to do? You need to combine all above 4s. आता इथं काय येणार आहे? Instead of 7, 4 will be there, right? And here 6, 7 and 11, 12. इकडं काय येईल? 1, 2, 3. 1 and 3. ठीक आहे, मग हे कंबाईन करताना काय होणार? इथं चेंज काय राहील फायनल डायग्राम मध्ये? 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. आफ्टर दॅट 6, 7, 11, 12. इथं फक्त चेंज होईल. काय येईल इथं? 1, 3 and here root काय असेल? 4 असेल. and after that 6, 7, 11, 12. So this much changes. Got the answer? Praveen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now next B plus tree part we will discuss in the next session. So any doubt related with the B tree, so you can ask. If you are having any questions, so you can ask. Screen what it do. Now today we have discussed, so how many points? The next unit, unit number 6. So multi-way search tree. So in the multi-way search tree, we have discussed about the very important point, that is the balanced tree. B tree we have discussed, and how to construct the balanced tree or B tree. So that part we discussed. After that, delete operations we have discussed. Now, any doubt, any questions related with the same? So you can ask. So otherwise, we will take a pause here and we will continue the next part, B plus tree, in the next session, or tomorrow morning we will complete the remaining part. So if you are having any questions, so you can ask. Otherwise, you can drop the session. Thank you. If you are having any questions, so you can unmute yourself and ask the question.